So welcome to our small lesson here. We're going to do some simple calculations of calculating the oxidation number. So I have just two examples here. So the first example, what is the oxidation number of iron in this compound? So we're starting with our first part here. We want to get the oxidation number of iron in this. So we start by saying, let the oxidation number of iron in that compound be X. Then, because we've said this is a compound and we've said the sum of the oxidation number of the constituent elements in that compound should add up to 0. So if we add the oxidation number of this iron and this oxygen, it should give us 0. So therefore we're going to say the oxidation number of iron is X, but how many iron do we have? 2. So we're going to have 2, and the oxidation number of iron is X. Then what is the oxidation number of oxygen in this compound? The oxidation number of oxygen in this is -2. But how many oxygen do we have? 3. So 3 -2 should give us 0. So here we have 2x minus, because a positive times a negative should give us a negative number, is equals to 0. So what is 2x? 2x is equals to +6. Then x therefore is 3. That's why we say this is iron 3 oxide. Iron 3 oxide. So oxidation iron in this compound has an oxidation number of +3. This is how we indicate the oxidation number. Sign followed by the number. Let's solve for the other part. Manganese oxide. So this is manganese oxide. So same case. Let the oxidation number of manganese be X. So we're going to have X plus, what is the oxidation number of oxygen? -2. But how many oxygen do we have here? 4. Each has an oxidation of -2. Should be equivalent to, this time round it's not equivalent to 0, because this is a radical. It has a charge. This compound has a charge. So the sum of the oxidation number of manganese and the oxygen should give us -1. So we have X plus 4 times -2 should give us -8 is equals to -1. So let's take -8 to the other side, and we're going to have X is equals to -1 plus 8, and X is equals to 7. So the oxidation number of our manganese here therefore is positive, because we've gotten a positive value there, manganese 7. So actually this is manganese 7 oxide. This is manganese 7 oxide. Next we're going to look at